Hello! Video of the emergency start of engine Lexus RX from May 2017 with AST version 3 device. This is device for emergency start of Toyota Lexus engines from May 2017. This is a tested car Lexus RX from May 2017. This is the location of the smart ECU module behind of the car glove box. Disconnect the top and bottom connectors from the smart ECU module. Insert the needles of the red, blue, black and yellow probes of the device respectively into the slots 4, 13, 18 and 25 of the upper smart ECU connector. The LED of the device flashes green, indicating that the probes are connected correctly. Push the button on the device and the LED flashes yellow. Press the button again, the LED flashes green and the car's steering column is unlocked. To start the car engine, insert the red probes, one into the slot 17 of the upper connector and the other one for 3 seconds into the slot 20 of the lower connector. After starting the engine, quickly pull out the red probe from the circuit of the lower connector. To stop the engine, pull the red probe out of the slot 17 of the top connector. That's all. Thanks for watching.